Hey all the future assistant professors, welcome back to English by Pooja Singh. The very first thing that I would like to talk about before strategies is that I know what is going in your mind, right? You are completely confused. पढ़े कि नहीं पढ़े, अब एनटीए क्या करेगा, व्हाट इफ री एग्जामिनेशन होगा, व्हाट इफ डेट चेंज हो जाए, व्हाट इफ दोबारा इतना मेहनत कैसे करेंगे, व्हाट इफ शुड आई प्रिपेयर फॉर 9 September or should we wait for another update? And honestly, your confusion is completely understandable. But what I want you to understand is, please, I know you prepared for the examination, you appeared for it, you gave the examination, you came out mentally exhausted, and suddenly you are told that English exam has been cancelled. Now, the re-examination update. I know it is frustrating, I know it is unfair to your preparation, I know, and it hurts, I understand it, but what we can do? I know because I gave the examination and I know it feels so, disheartening after getting ki exam cancel ho gaya aapka. But as an educator, I cannot leave you in this situation, and that's why I was also in confusion, what should we do? But that's why I make a question to all of you, that whether should we make strategies video or not, because right now we have two choices. The very first one is that we should keep waiting for another notification, we should keep checking social media, we should keep checking, asking exam hoga ya na hoga, and lose these 22 precious days. Number second is that we should keep our preparation start, because the examination is on 9th of September and they have given the public notice. Even if the NTA gives the update later, that yes, we will deal with that update later. If the examination get cancelled, that will be win-win situation. But if not, then your 22 days will be lost, and I don't want you to do that. So prepare for the examination that is currently scheduled. Don't prepare based on the rumors, don't prepare based on telegram messages, video, shayad exam hoga nahi hoga, no examination movement, because I think that अगर एग्जामिनेशन होता भी है तो यू विल बी रेडी, एंड इफ समथिंग योर प्रिपरेशन विल नॉट बी वेस्टेड, सो आपके इंटरव्यूज में भी वो वर्क हो जाएगा. सो प्लीज, व्हाट आई फील कि आपको ये 22 डेज लॉस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. सो प्लीज don't waste your time, study, it will not be wasted. And the very first thing is that you are not starting it from zero, you just have to revise it. So I have made a 22-day strategies how you can cover the important things, which I have already mentioned it earlier, but still I'm making it again. So please don't lose your hope. If this examination get cancelled, it will be win-win situation, but if not, we are ready for it. Okay, we have to fight for this. Okay, all the best, and without any delay, let's get started. So the very first thing is that only 23 days are left. If I'll add today, that's 17th of August, 23 days are left. You don't have to start from zero. Okay, so just don't make the mistake of opening the syllabus tomorrow and thinking that I have to complete the whole English literature. No, you are not a beginner anymore. I have to write this because you would skip it. That's why I have written you don't have to start your syllabus tomorrow. Okay, you have already studied the syllabus, attempted the examination, you know your weak areas, and you know how NTA patterns the questions. Okay, and you have revised many topics. So this is a win-win situation for us as of now. See, whatever you will say to your mind, that becomes reality. You know this thing. So I would request you to please think positive. Agar exam cancel bhi ho jata hai, then that will be great for us. रिवीजन इज नॉट अ रीलर्निंग, आपको फिर से वो नहीं करना है. ठीक है, योर नेक्स्ट 23 days आर फॉर रिवीजन, PYQs, MCQs, मॉक टेस्ट एंड एरर करेक्शन. व्हाट डज दैट एरर करेक्शन? आई विल टेल यू. So 40% you have to do revision, 30% you have to do PYQ, and 20% mock test, and 10% error analysis. That is the most important thing, as it will play an important role. Now in revision, you don't have to read everything. PYQ mein you have to see the recurring concepts, the question patterns. Mock test, that will build your speed and accuracy, and error analysis, you have turned mistakes into marks, that you have to talk about. Now I will be telling you the priorities that you should study. If you're thinking that you only have to study and you have to secure 50+ marks, you have to read British literature first, criticism, theory, American literature, Indian English literature, and literary movements. Priority 2, it would be poetry, drama, fiction, cultural studies, post-colonial literature, feminism, linguistics. And then at the end, I would like you to focus on the translations of the works, children's literature, popular culture, Dalit literature, and ELT. Now, I'll be telling you how and complete day-wise strategies. You must know authors, works, and poem, everything. Okay. Now, in Old English, if you're targeting British literature, the very most important, I have seen 13 years of PYQ. I have solved it on YouTube. You can go and watch that. In Old and Middle English, these are the works that have been repeated many times. So we would be focusing on this only rather than reading new thing. Okay. So the very first one is Beowulf, The Dream of the Rood, The Wanderer, and The Seafarer. Bede, Ecclesiastical History, Cadman, Cadman's Hymn, Sinwolf, Eileen, Chaucer, Canterbury Tales, Troilus and Cresside, and Book of the Duchess. This has been repeated multiple times in 2025 and in 2026 as well. Laland, Piers Plowman, Gower, Confesso Amantis, Mallory, Lee Mortady, Arthur. So you have to read these all things. These are very, very important. Just even knowing the names and themes, will work a lot. Now, Renaissance Shakespeare, one of the most important period. Okay. So Thomas More has written Utopia, White Sonnet, then Sidney, Aristotle, Stella, the Defense of Poesy. These are the most important things that you should not miss. You should not miss at any cost. Then Spenser's Fairy Queen, Amorati, Epimethelian. They did ask about the Promethean this year in 2026 June. So you have to know these all things. These are very important. Then Marlowe, Dr. Foster, Stamberlin, Edward II. They are asked in the chronology. Okay. So you have to remember this. Then Shakespeare, we cannot forget Shakespeare, Hamlet, all the tragedies, Macbeth, Othello, King Lear, Romeo and Juliet, Tempest, Twelfth Night, A Midsummer's Night Dreams, sonnets. Which important sonnets are they are asked in the passages sometimes, and in the match of the following also. So 18, 29, 30, 55, 73, 116 and 130. So these are the very important thing you should not miss. Then you can take a screenshot as well. It will be very helpful for you. In Jacobean and Metaphysical Milton, what you have to do is Ben Jonson's Volpone Alchemist. Very, very important. These are very important. This is the section where these all works. If you do scrutiny of PYQs, you will be seeing these questions have been repeated like 10 plus times every year. Okay. So Webster, The Duchess of Malfi, they ask about the deep, the characters, things, the theme, everything. Then John Donne's The Flea, The Sunrising, A Veridication, Forbidding Morning, The Canonization, Death Not to Be Proud. And in this 2016 June, they asked about the Death Not to Be Proud as well. Then Herbert, The Altar, Easter Wings, Marvel to His Coy Mistress, The Garden, Milton, Paradise Lost, Lycidas, Comus, Samson, Agnetus, and Areopagitica. So these are the most important things that I don't want you to miss this. Okay. Then Restoration and 18th century. What to study in that? Very important period again. Dryden, Absalom and Achitophel, MacFlecknoe, and Essay of Dramatic Poesy. You have to focus on the Essay of Dramatic Poesy and Essay on Criminal. All the essays are very important. Okay. Then Pope, The Rape of the Lock, and Essay on Criticism, and Essay on Man, and Dunciad. These are very, very important. If you are not studying anything, please do study at least these all things so that you will be able to understand it and able to eliminate, because the power of elimination is very important. Okay. Then Swift's Gulliver's Travel, he talks about a modest proposal. This is a satire. Then Samuel Johnson's Preface to Shakespeare. Then Lives of the Poet, Defoe, Robinson Crusoe. Then Richardson, Pamela and Clarissa Fielding, Tom Jones, Thomas Stone, Tristram Shandy. So these are very, very, very important that you have to read it. Okay. Then if you talk about the Romanticism and Wordsworth, Coleridge, Blake. For Wordsworth, please do not miss the lyrical ballads. They ask about the date, they ask about the publication date, they ask about the opening lines and closing lines as well. In the poems, you need to understand opening lines and closing lines as well. Then Tinternabbe, I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud, Immortality Ode, Michael. Okay. Then Coleridge, Rime of the Ancient Mariner, Kubla Khan, Christabel, Biographia Literaria, Blake, The Songs of Innocence and Experience, The Tiger, The Lamb, The London. These all have been repeated multiple times in UGC net. Okay, and that's why I always give focus on PYQ. Then Romanticism, Byron, Don Juan, Childe Harold's Pilgrimage, Shelley, Ode to the West Wing, To a Skylark, Adonis's A Defense of Poetry, then Keats, Ode to the Nightingale, Ode to a Grecian Urn, Autumn, Melancholy, La Bella Dame, Sense, Mercy, Endymion. Hazlitt, major essays, you can see all the important essays. So these are repeated. These are repeated in the UGC net. That's why I am mentioning it again and again. Then Victorian Poetry Criticism, Tennyson, In Memoriam, Ulysses, The Lady of Shalott, Browning, My Last Duchess, Porphyria's Lover, Enderio del Sarto, again in 2006, they asked Arnold Dover's speech, The Scholar Gypsy, Culture and Anarchy, The Study of Poetry, most important. Then Hopkins, The Windhover, God's Grandeur, Pete Beauty, Rossetti, Goblin Market, very important, Clough Discourse. So these are the very important things in the Victorian poetry and criticism as well. Now we talk about the Victorian fiction. What is the Victorian fiction? In this we talk about the industrialization, how did it change? Okay, Dickens, they talk about the Great Expectations, Oliver Twist, David Copperfield, Hard Times, A Tale of Two Cities. So whenever you see Dickens, you will be seeing all the chronology from all his works. Okay, Charlotte Bronte, Jane Eyre, Emily Bronte, Wuthering Heights, George Eliot, Middlemarch, The Mill on the Floors, Thomas Hardy, Tess of the Burrells, Jude the Obscure, The Mayor of Casterbridge, Far from the Madding Crown. Okay, then George Murray, The Egoist. So these are very important works. They do ask a lot of questions from this particular section. Now if you talk about the British drama, you should not skip. These are the one which I found it very important. Marlowe, Dr. Faustus, Johnson, Walpole, Webster, The Duchess of Malfi, Congreve, The Way of the World. A lot of times I've seen questions from this. Then Sheridan, The School for Scandal, they ask about the characters. See, from the drama they will be asking about the characters, the themes, and if there is any major quotations, they do ask that who said to whom, okay, in the passages as well. While The Importance of Being Earnest, then G.B. Shaw, Pygmalion, Man in Superpower, James Finch, Rider to the Sun, W.B. Yeats, The Countess Kathleen, Jane Austen, Juno the Peacock. So this is the thing which you should not skip at once. You can take a screenshot of it, okay, so that it will be very important for you to learn it, okay. Now, the modernism period, very important. T.S. Eliot, The Wasteland, Prufrock, The Hollow Man, Four Quartets, Eats, The Second Coming, means these have been repeated 100 times. I would not be boasting, but yes, these all have been repeated. Sailing to Byzantium, PYQs, every time they will give you the lines and they will ask the opening lines, which poem and the match of the following, okay. Ezra Pound in A Station of the Metro, Cantos, Auden, Muses, the Box, The Unknown Citizens, September 1. Then Dylan were Do Not Gentle Into That Night. A lot of times they have asked about Dylan Thomas also. Modernist fiction and drama, James Joyce, Ulysses, Dubliners, A Poet of the Artist as a Young Man. Again, very important. These all things are there. Virginia Woolf, Mrs. Dalloway's. We have seen a lot of questions in 2026 June. To the Lighthouse, A Room of One's Own. And also in 2025 also we have seen a lot from A Room of One. So make sure you read this in detail. The D.H. Lawrence works will always be asked in the chronology. Okay, Sons and Lovers, Women in Love. E.M. Foster, Passage to India. Joseph Conrad, The Heart of Darkness, Themes, and the last words would be asking. Beckett, Waiting for Godot. Pinter, The Birthday Party. They will be asking about the characters because these are much, celebrated works. Okay, now from where to study these all things? I have already made a British literature full course. This is not very long videos, a very short videos. I have made it, and I have made it to the point videos. You can watch it. You have a lot of time. Entire course is designed to understand, and everything I have covered in to the point, so you can watch this, okay, from this particular video. Now criticism, what you have to read in criticism, if you do not have much time and you just have to read, this is the thing you have to read. Plato, Republic. Aristotle, Poetics. Longinus, On the Sublime. You have to talk about the important aspects and the concepts they have been talking about in this book. Horace, Ars Poetica. Sidney, Defense of Poesy. What are the points did he talked about? Okay. Dryden, An Essay on Dramatic Poesy. The names you have to remember. Johnson, Preface to Shakespeare. What did he talk about Shakespeare? Okay. What did he make the critical comment? Literary criticism to Wordsworth, preface to Lyrical Ballads. Coleridge, Biography Literaria. Arnold, The Study of the Poetry. These are the important. T.S. Eliot, Tradition and the Individual Talent in the Metaphysical Poet. Very important. They ask a lot of question about from this. IRH's Practical Criticism we have seen in 2026-25 as well. F.L. Levi, The Great Tradition. Always you will see this is an option. Clinic book, The World's Well-Worn Out. Also this has been asked. American literature. Edgar Allan Poe, The Raven, The Telltale Heart, The Philosophy of Composition, Emerson, Nature, Thoreau, Walden, Woltman, Leaves of Grass, and Song of Myself. Again, very important. I have seen a lot of questions from this Leaves of Grass. Dickinson, because I could not stop with that. I heard of Flybys. Again, very important. Heartthrob, the Scarlet Letter, a lot of time they ask about the sign of that. Then Melville Moby Dick, very important when Huckleberry Finn. Then Frost, The Road Not Taken, Stopping by Witches. Okay, so American modern contemporary Fizzleback, The Great Gatsby, Hemingway, The Old Man and the Sea, Faulkner, The Sound and the Fury, Tennyson Williams, A Streetcar Named Desire. A lot of time these are important modern and contemporary. Generally they ask these all about in the match of the following. So even if you know the just name and know the themes of it, it will be more than enough. Okay, Death of Salesman, The Crucible, Ralph Wilson, Invisible Man, Toni Morrison, Beloved, Sylvia Plath, Ariel Daddy, and Allen Ginsberg. How? So Indian literature, again, it is very important. I'll just want you to read in depth R.K. Narayan, because every time they ask about the chronology of the works of the R.K. Narayan. Okay, Swami and Friends, The Guide, then Mulk Raj Anand, Untouchable Kuli, Rajarao Kantapura. Oh my god, every time 1938 I have remembered the name. Then they will be asking about the themes and The City, The Serpent and the Rope. Then Anita Desai, Clear Light of the Day. So mostly if you talk about the Indian literature, they ask about the chronology of their works, and they do ask a lot about the characters. Okay, Kushwant Singh, Train to Pakistan, Kamla Markandeya, Nectar and a Sea, Arundhati Roy, The Gods of Small Thing, Amitabh Ghosh, The Shadow Lines, and The Glass Place. So these are the things that you need to do. You do not need to miss this, because these are very important. These are the base of it. From where to read Indian literature, I have made this short. This is not short, but yes, for Indian literature that is huge, I have made a 1-hour class. You can revise this complete Indian literature for your examination. Okay, now poetry. Toru Dutt, Our Kajuraina Tea, Sarojini Naidu, In the Bazaars of Hyderabad, Nizam Ezekiel, Night of the Scorpion, The Patriot, Kamla Das, An Introduction, My Grandmother's House, A.K. Ramanjo, Obituary, The Scale, and these all have been asked in your PYQ. So these are very important. I'm not just making any random guesses, and because I have done a lot of research on this. Jayant Mahapatra, Hunger, Dilip Chatre, Father Returning Home, Girish Karnad, Tughlaq, Hayavadana. A lot of time you have seen in 2025 and 2026 as well. Then Mahesh Dattani, very important, Final Solutions, and Tara. Now, post-colonial literature, if you will see, they will be asking very direct type of question. They don't ask very indirect type of question in the post-colonial literature. They ask about the characters. They ask about the match of the following. So you have to be very particular about it. Okay. French Fanon, Black Skin, White Mask, The Rest of the Earth, Edward Said, Orientalism, Culture and Imperialism. They talk about how they are being talked about. Okay. Gayatri Spivak. So you just have to need to learn the names. You can take the screenshot of it. Okay. These are very things fall apart. You have seen a lot of time. Decolonizing the Mind. You have seen Wolfgang, The Lion and the Derek Walcott. You have seen this name, which they ask about the nationality. If you talk about the nationality, if you have to read about the nationality, just read the nationality of the post-colonial literature. Okay. Then feminism and gender, women's writing. Very important, very important. You cannot miss it. Take a screenshot of it. Wollstonecraft, A Vindication of the Rights of the Woman, and this need to be studied in detail, because this is, they ask a lot detailed question about it. They will give you 4 statements, and then you have to find out which is correct. So until unless you don't know the detailed about it, you won't be able to eliminate it on like that. Okay. So Virginia Woolf, A Room of Monsoon. So it is very repeating. So please do read this in. Simon de Beauvoir, The Second Sex, Kate Millett, Sexual Politics, Ellen Showalter, Literature of Their Own, and Towards a Feminist Poet, Gilbert and Gover, The Mad Woman in the Attic, Judith Butler, Gender Trouble, Bell Hooks, Ain't a Woman, Carter, The Bloody Chamber. So because this is very important, you need to read this in detail. Okay. And I'm talking in the maximum speed I can, because I don't want to waste your time, and provide the best out of it. Marxism and psychoanalysis. These are the most important psychoanalyst. Marx and Angels, The Communist Manifesto, Gramsci, Prison Notebook, Hegemony. These are the concepts. So what you have to do in this, you have to talk about you have to read about the concepts which they have given and what are the effects of it. Althusser, Ideology and Ideological State, that I have already mentioned in my video. Raymond Williams, Culture and Society. A lot of times they ask about this. So PYQs, a lot of PYQs from Culture and Society. Then Freud, Interpretation of Dreams, Civilization and Discontent. Jung, Archetypes. What are the archetypes? How many of archetypes are there? Lacan, Mirror Stage. Now, these are the most important things. Structuralism, post-structuralism, cultural studies. These you have already, read a lot of time. So you don't need to waste a lot of time on this. Just know the concept. Just know the concept. I have made a complete class for the literary criticism and literature. You can go and watch that. Okay. So Saussure, course in general linguistics. Jacobson, linguistic and poetics. Levi-Strauss, cultural anthropology. Barthes, mythology. S/Z, the death of the author. Derrida, of grammatology. What they will be asking? They will be asking about the statement. So again, you have to read this in detail if you haven't studied, because again they will be asking about the lingua and parole that they have asked in 25, 26, and every year they ask about the lingua parole. What is this? what is readerly text, what is writerly text, Foucault, the archaeology of knowledge, discipline and punish, history of sexuality, Stuart Hall, encoding and decoding, Hedwig, subculture. So these are the things that you have to know. Now, this is a video where you can see the complete 10 units revision that I have made for June 2026. So in this video, I have talked about the all 10 units explained. So if you do not have any time, this is of only 30 minutes. So you can go and watch this. This is very, very, very beneficial for that. Now, how to study a writer? If you're studying about a writer, how should you study? So this is the format you can study. If you're reading Shakespeare and okay, Shakespeare ka work is Hamlet, no, this is not the way. You have to read about work, you have to read about author, work, which genre he was writing, which period he was writing, which movement, and what is the key important. So because these are only 20 days are left, so we won't be going in detail. Okay, we just know, for example, you can write like that. John Donne, written Flea, it is a type of poetry genre, metaphysical movement, writing used to write in conceit, wit and paradox. Then Wordsworth, Tintoret, it was a romantic period. They were talking about the nature movement, memory, imagination. T.S. Eliot, we were a famous work, The Wasteland, modernism, it was the movement. Fragmentation, they're talking about the concept, myth, allusion. So this is the way you have to read. Then Ronald Barthes, The Death of the Author, he was a post-structuralist and writing about the post-structuralism, and he used to talk about the authorial intention challenge and readerly text and writerly text. This was the thing. So this was the important paper 2 concepts. Now we'll be talking about the paper 1 as well. Okay, in paper 1, what you have to do, because paper 1 you have to target 85 plus, then only you will be able to clear JRF. And this is not for the, if you want increase in marks, you have to boost your paper 1. This is the only way. What you have to focus on: teaching aptitude, research aptitude, communication, ICT, logical reasoning, DI, higher education and environment. I'm not telling you to skip the rest of it, but these should be your priority. Okay, I will be making a detailed paper 1 video, but as of now, these are the things that should be on your priority list. Paper 1 can become your score booster. Don't treat paper 1 as something as you will study at the end. Don't make this mistake, please. At this time, you don't need to make this mistake. Now, paper 1 kahan se padhna hai? This is the most celebrated video. Students have given a lot of love to this. So please, if you do not have time to study everything at all, read or watch this video. This will be very helpful. I have talked about the most repeated PYQs, so you can go and watch this video. Now, how you're going to study all this? Day 23, day 1 to 5, you will be doing revision, whatever notes you have made. Okay, 6 to 12, you will be talking about the high yielding topics that I have discussed above. Okay, then 13 to 16, your full revision and mock should be starting. 17, 19, talk about your weak areas, PYQs, and do revision a lot of times. Okay, now the most important thing that I wanted to talk you about is this, the error notebook method. What is that? Please make a separate copy for it, और जो भी आप गलती कर रहे हो, make a mention to that so that you don't repeat this. And this should be your last attempt. Okay, this should be your last attempt, that you do not need to give the examination again. So divide every mistake into concept mistake, that I was not knowing this mistake, then a memory mistake, like 1 copy, and divide that like beach se jo hota hai na, 10 pages for concept mistake, 10 pages for memory mistake, like that. Divide like that and write, I knew but it forgot out. So you can revise it and you can learn it. And confusion between, I generally have like 1, 2, 3, 4. I always eliminate 2 options very easily, but in the C and D I get confused. So this has to be worked upon. I confuse 2 authors, theories, works, it can be anything. So make that. Silly mistakes ke liye, I knew that but it marked it correctly. So you should be do, and your goal should not be like ki pehle hi mock mein aapko ekdam 100 out of 100 aa jayega. No, your goal is to make that same mistakes never make happens twice. Okay, so for JRF, अगर आप JRF के लिए preparation करना चाहते हैं, your paper 1 should be 85 plus. You should score that. Paper 2 should be 175 plus score. For ST, SC, OBC, you can plus minus 15 or 20 marks for that. Okay, overall your marks should be 260 out of 300, so that you can score well for JRF with flying colors, and this attempt should be your last attempt. So day 1, Old English, Middle English. Day 2, Renaissance plus Shakespeare. Day 3, Jacobean plus Caroline Metaphysical. Day 4, do Restoration plus 18th century. And every day plus paper 1. Okay, romantic age, Victorian, modernism, postmodernism, contemporary, British drama, British poetry, British fiction, criticism, theory, American. You just have to revise. You just have to revise with paper 1. Okay, Indian English literature, African, Caribbean, Commonwealth, post-colonial literature, feminism, gender, Marxism, psychoanalysis, structuralism, post-structuralism, cultural studies, linguistic, ELT translation. A lot of questions, like 10 questions came last year also. Then at date 22, you have to do the revision, and day 3 would be final. Day 3 would be final. 3 your work, theory, chronology, and on 9th September you have examination. So please, if you have made your plan, go ahead with that. If you have not made any plan, go with this plan and start working. All the best. If you have any confusion, do let me know in the comment section. Okay, and please do let me know in the comment section. Okay, and I am with you all till then. Keep learning, keep shining. All the best till then. Take care. Okay.